Are you on me?
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay.
Natalie, come on, just tell your joke.
Okay, so, why didn't the alien eat the clown? Because it tasted funny!
That was actually really funny.
That was not funny.
You get it?
No, I have an actually funny joke. Okay.
Wait, I have one more.
So yeah, Ocean.
Okay. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Nobody.
Nobody who? Oh, it's nobody. Wow, that was like
You
really,
get it?
that was like totally funny. That was so funny, Natalie.
Yeah, I get it.
So funny.
Because I'm just like,
Okay, two peanuts were walking down the street. One was a salted peanut.